Okay, so I don't really know what I'm going to make today, but I have all these pieces. And then, you know that cube, if you don't want to do this, you have to watch. You know that there's this cube I made in a different video that we're going to use. So you see those blue pieces. I have another one today. You take 2 pieces of these blues and you put them together like that. And then you're going to take the blue one and put it like that in front of you. And then let me do it real quick and then I'll show you. So I don't know if it's going to be hard or easy, or not hard and not easy. So sometimes I make up things, and if you don't want to do it, you can just watch. Like if you don't have these, they go with some kind of roller coaster that is connects thing. It's like, I'll show you the roller coaster that we built. I'll show you the roller coaster when we're done. Or in a different video. Yeah, in a different video. If we have time, I can do it this time, but put it, you know what, don't put it on top. And then you're going to take a gray piece, like this, and put it in the piece that's missing. So like that, Okay. Then you're going to take these 3 red pieces. Like that. They look pink with the red, just like these. These are orange, but they look pink. Good job, Evie! Sorry, that's my sister. You're gonna... Let's see. Like that. 1, 2, 3. It looks like this. Take 2 blues. They're blues, not purples. Take a blue and hook it onto this. Sorry about that. And then you're going to do the same with the other side. Now it will look like this. Okay. And then you're going to take you're going to take one of these pieces, It's like white silver. And then you're gonna take it and you're gonna, sorry, just give me a sec. Okay, we're back. Put it like that, exactly like that, on the purple, on the middle purple. Like that. Sorry. And then hook. Take a blue. And hook it on like that. And then you're going to take another one of those. And then you're going to take, so you're going to put another piece like that. And then you're going to take a blue. And you're going to put it on like that. Straight up. The last one. And then you just keep doing that in the same spot until you get to the end. You only take 3 of them, so just do it one more time. Sorry, it's taking forever.
Wow, Shocker takes a lead down the hill and tumbles and rolls down to the space. Shocker's gonna take the lead. Shocker's on fire made to the curb and driving 3 spaces behind him, knocking back.
And then, wait, no. Take the first boat. You see, like that, I took that one off right there. And you're gonna put like that. And then you're gonna take an orange. It looks like pink, but it's orange. It's orange. And then like that, and like that, make an X. And then you're gonna take, and then you just make, and then the cube, you don't have to do this if you don't have the cube that I made in the other video. I'm just gonna put it on top of the cube. And there. But it looks like that. That's the cube. So it's falling apart. Put it up there. But here's the cube.